Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you. We're going to be taking a look at this news article here by Seeking Alpha. Apparently, Charles Schwab may be getting into the market here pretty soon with the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin right now is still sitting at about $55,000. We're seeing that price movement just kind of stagnant as of right now, but Ethereum is taking a nice rally here. So Ethereum has been doing outstanding. We'll actually jump over into the Ethereum charts today too as well, see what we might be taking a look at when it comes to the prices maybe breaking through its next all-time high for Ethereum. But I think that this is just a consolidation for Bitcoin as of right now. Once Ethereum's done, we're going to see that seesaw action happen, and then Bitcoin will probably have its move then too as well. So let's go ahead and jump on over into the charts, and let's cue that intro and get started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, folks. Check the links in the description box below if you want to help support the channel too as well. If not, just leave a thumbs up. I'd highly appreciate that. And then also we have our private trading group page if you want to join us over there. You can join us through Patreon as the payment processor. Everything that we post for our private members is located on Discord. All right, so let's see. We got Charles Schwab is looking closely and cautiously at cryptocurrency capabilities. Apparently, Charles Schwab is looking closely and cautiously at the crypto market, executives said on the firm's spring investor update call. Management wants to see more regulatory clarity before offering any cryptocurrency capabilities, they said. With greater regulatory clarity, the company would consider offering capabilities in the crypto space and would be highly competitive, disputed, and client-oriented, disruptive and client-oriented. So, you know, we're starting to see some of these other investors now jump on over into the crypto markets too as well. So if they start offering crypto, investments, that'll be interesting. With greater regulatory, there are some ways to invest in crypto through a derivative basis through Schwab, and its management is keeping our eyes closely on whether there will be an investment-oriented products, whether in ETFs or others. Earlier in the call, COO Joe Montanillo spoke about increased costs for the TD Ameritrade acquisition, but also bigger synergies. Okay. So yeah, we're starting to see maybe Charles Schwab getting ready to jump on over into these markets too as well. And so that'd be pretty bullish, allowing more institutional investors to get, situated into the crypto space too as well. So, looking forward to that. If it is to occur, we'll have to take a look and just be patient and wait and see. Maybe that'll be the opportunity to see the price rise in Bitcoin too as well. Let's go ahead and jump on over into the charts, folks, so you can get started over there. All right, so taking a look at Bitcoin charts right now, we'll kind of zoom on in here into the 3-day chart. It looks like we are coming down to retest that 21 EMA once again. Bitcoin right now still hovering at about the $55,000 mark. If we break below our 21 EMA on the 3-day chart, which is right at about $53,700, then we'll probably see a little bit more downside. But you can already see that our VWAP on Market Cipher B on our 3-day chart is starting to kind of trend out to the side as well. So I'll be keeping a close eye on that. Taking a look at the 2-day chart, where we at here, still you can see Market Cipher B giving us a nice little VWAP curvature here. So we could be ready to start moving back to the upside, or maybe some consolidation before we start to move back to the upside. Our candlestick pattern did dip below our 21 EMA on the 2-day chart here too as well. Still showing us some red candles there, so we need to remain a little cautious as of right now. Our daily chart, no sign of a green dot just yet on Market Cipher, but it still looks like we are ready to continue to move further up to the upside. Money flow is still looking a little bit thin here on the daily chart, so we got to remain cautious. But as long as we hold our money flow support in this green area and don't dip too far into the red, then I think we'll still have a bullish momentum and be ready to recover here on the next green dot on the daily chart. So let's continue to zoom in here, take a look at the 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart, starting to see a nice Christmas tree pattern down here too as well on the 12-hour chart. So we want to wait for our momentum to start moving back to the upside. No sign of a buy signal yet on our 12-hour chart. Taking a look at the 6-hour chart, no sign of a buy signal just yet either on our candlestick patterns with Market Guide. But starting to see a little bit of inconsistencies here, just sideways movement. You know, decent traders giving us these white dots above our candlesticks, just meaning that they're, you know, price action is still trying to figure out what it wants to do here. But noticing market cipher here on the 6-hour chart, you can see that we did have our double snake eyes down here on the 6-hour chart, and now we're starting to see our trigger waves start to form here too as well. So we had our red dot and then our green dot here sitting above our 60% level, and now we're going to be looking for probably a few more trigger waves to send us back up to this 0 pivot point, and then maybe continue the rally from there. So that's what I'd be keeping a close eye on, making sure that, you know, we don't get another red dot that sends us below our 60% level here. But if we stay above that, we'll start to put in more trigger waves, and those trigger waves will definitely start to send us back to the upside. Let's see here. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart. No sign of any buy signals just yet on the candlestick patterns, but we're starting to see our candles start to turn green here too as well. So, you know, this could be a nice sign that the volume is starting to come back into the Bitcoin charts and starting to come back into Bitcoin too as well. Taking a look at market cipher on the 4-hour chart, we are dipping into the red just a tad bit, just kind of sinking our toes in, seeing how the bears react. But it does look like we still are holding nice consolidation out to the side here. Anchor wave down here with our big green dot, and now we're starting to see these Christmas tree patterns start to form, and starting to see us make support above our 60% level and make those trigger waves to send us back up to our 0% level, and then possibly break through our 0% level to head us back to into that bullish territory above our 0%. Taking a look at the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart, yeah, still just sideways consolidation, folks. I think that this is probably going to take a little bit longer. I really like the way that the 6-hour chart looks for market cipher here. You can see our double snake eyes on market cipher here, and then also our trigger wave that's probably going to send us a little bit higher up with our momentum wave. So ready to put in at least those higher lows with our momentum wave on some of our mid time frames with Bitcoin and market cipher. And folks, if y'all want to pick up the market cipher indicator, there is a link in the description down in the box below. There's also a 5% discount code there available for you too as well that you can use. Let's jump on over into Ethereum, see what's happening, because Ethereum has been taking a nice rally here, folks. So let's move on over there. Okay, Ethereum, man, it looks like we just broke through another all-time high here, folks. We were consolidating out in this symmetrical triangle here for the longest time when it comes to Ethereum, and we broke above that. Our price target was all the way up here at about $26,000, and lo and behold, we hit the freaking price target, folks. Yeah, so, you know, I posted this setup, I think, a couple of days ago before we got our breakout, or right as exactly we got our breakout, and our price target was all the way up here. We came up, didn't quite hit it. We had a little bit of retracement back down to our 21 EMA. And then we got the bounce off the 21 EMA, never closed below it, as you can see. And then now we headed all the way back up to that $26,000 mark. It looks like we do have a nice little bullish count here with the TI sequential as well. Lime green candles starting to pop off here on the daily chart with a decent trader. And let's see what market cipher is telling us. Market cipher on the daily also telling us that we have our green dot here too as well, probably ready to push back up above the 60% level, maybe continue to ride that train above the 60% level. And then money flow still looks relatively good here too, folks. So I'm going to be looking for some nice positions here to start taking profit when it comes to Ethereum, but I think that we still got quite a bit of a rally here left for us. The 2-day chart also, you can see market cipher is sitting above that 60% level for Ethereum, ready to continue to ride this train. And I do believe that we still have some room to go, possibly into that $3,000 area. I mean, it does look like that we could definitely hit that. It looks like we have a fib extension level here sitting right at about $3,000, $2,900. So if we get to that next fib extension level, the 2618, if we get to that next fib extension level, the 2618, that'll be right at about $3,000. So I'd be looking for possible price movement up there. Let's take a look at our 12-hour. Ooh, 12-hour chart looks hella good too. Excuse my language, but Ethereum is just it's ready to go. It's ready to go, boys. And you know, we can also see here that our buy signal on our 12-hour chart has popped off for us too in our last candlestick, and now we have our lime green candles on our 12-hour chart. Ethereum still looks really good here on market Cipher 2. Momentum waves are still heading far to the upside. VWAP still in our bullish territory. It looks like we're probably consolidate out to the side here with our VWAP, but momentum waves are still headed to the upside too as well. Did we get that buy on the daily chart? We got that buy on the daily chart a long time ago, way back here with Market God. So yeah, let's take a look at our 6-hour chart, see what's happening here. No signs of consolidation just yet, folks. We did have this consolidation right back here. But as of right now, market Cipher is definitely telling us that we still got some more room to get back up above the 60% level and continue to ride this train to the upside. So, whoa. Ethereum is just, it's mind blowing right now because, you know, I don't get me wrong, Ethereum's has done a lot for the crypto space. And I definitely feel that, you know, it'll be one of those coins. It's one of the first generation cryptocurrencies too as well. But you know, I think that we're starting to move into a phase where some of these alts and some of these second and third generation cryptos are going to be the ones that more or less will end up sticking around for the longer term. So by all means, you know, we're going to start looking for profit taking areas when it comes to these coins, and because I think that Ethereum just had a lack of upgrades, you know, a lot of postponements with their upgrades too as well. They couldn't really stick to their deadlines, and that makes me a little cautious. But I do think that Ethereum still looks relatively good with the NFTs that have been released. Everyone's kind of using Ethereum. The transaction fees are through the roof right now. And if they don't get that solved anytime soon, then I just feel that there's really not any hope for Ethereum for the longer term. It's going to be one of those coins that, you know, only the big guys can really use too as well. Not really meant for the people. So we're looking for those coins that have the use cases that are meant for the people too as well. And you know, we have a list of those altcoins that we're dollar cost averaging into over on the private categories on our Discord server. We use Patreon as a payment processor, so if you want to join us over there, you can get all of our trade setups that we're looking at each and every single day, 24/7, keeping you up to date with these markets. So folks, with that being said, Ethereum still looks like it has a lot of steam left, possibly getting up to that $3,000 level here in the near term future. That would be really nice to see that area hit with Ethereum, $3,000 Ethereum. That would be awesome. All right. Well, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, folks. Hit the notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated. Like I said, if y'all want to pick up some of our paid for indicators, there's links in the description box below. If you want to pick up the Market Cipher indicator package, it's a 3-package indicator by CryptoFace. So shout out to CryptoFace. He's been a big supporter of the channel. There's a 5% discount code there available for you too as well if you want to pick it up. And yeah, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and end it here. I'll see y'all on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.